There are countless gifts and blessings of nature all around us, which we avail without paying any price. The world is full of beauty, and choosing to embrace your blessings will allow you to see all the good that you have been given. Being thankful for the blessings in your life fills your heart with peace, joy, and hope. These gifts of nature are very worthy, but we value them very less and concentrate on the dark side of life more. If we connect ourselves with nature and natural beauty, then we will have a lot to be joyful, grateful, and hopeful. We must take our life as a single chance to have and must enjoy its every single second without harming others. We must go to nature to be refreshed and healed and to have our senses put in order. If we look deep into nature, then we will be able to value everything better and will get peace and joy. In this way, we will also be able to come out of our routine tiresome. Challenges and hardships are parts of our life, but being worried is not the solution of our problems. We must keep away worries from our mind. Whatever we shape our mind, it will shape our life the same way. Instead of highlighting the dark side of life all the time, we must appreciate and value the blessings we have and must be grateful for them. Nature is very kind to us, and natural beauty allows us to choose places and many destinations for the sake of rest, recreation, and the best of times. Keeping ourselves positive and zealous, we will be able to gain and retain the positive energies which we need to make our life tremendous and full of joys.